Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be looking at a Raised Letter K5LLA. Now, the horn that we have right here, this is actually a Raised Letter K5LA. The K5LLA that's in this video, and you're going to see pictures of it, it's going to be in the static test and it's going to be in the run-by also portion of the video. That's the horn we're talking about. I actually just recently sold it before I could make a video talking about it. So I've got this regular K5LA in front of me. A K5LLA, it's pretty much this identical horn except the number 5 is replaced with a 1L. So you'd have a 1L right here, then the 1, 2, 3A, and a 4A, so no 5. But anyway, just for the sake of talking about the horn, I'll have this in front of it, in front of us. So anyway, as I stated, the K5LLA has a 1L, a 1, a 2, a 3A, and a 4A. The K5LLA is going to have a deeper tone than a K5LA. K5LA is going to be more higher pitched. Now, the K5LLA is a little louder than a K5LA. Not a whole lot, but it is a little louder. It's a little deeper, so it carries further also. So you'll get to see what that sounds like, and I have a video of a K5LA versus a K5LLA, and this K5LA is actually the K5LA in that video, and the LLA is the horn that you're going to be seeing in this video that's in the battle. So anyway, this is a 2014 and up model K5LLA in this video, the same as this K5LA. It's got the curved Nathan Airchimes on the back cap, and it was a 130K horn also, just like this, so 2021 year model. So anyway, y'all enjoy this one. This is a Nathan Airchime K5LLA.